In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link MailChimp to Bigin CRM, allowing you to streamline your marketing efforts by integrating your customer relationship management with your email marketing campaigns. To begin, you'll first need to log into your Bigin CRM account. Ensure that you have your login credentials handy and follow the usual process to access the dashboard where everything is organized for easy navigation. Once you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the settings, which you can find by looking for a gear icon. This universal symbol usually signifies where you'll find customization options. After clicking on it, navigate over to either Toppings or Marketplace, depending on where you are in the CRM interface. This is where we can search and find all sorts of integrations that can enhance our CRM experience. Enter MailChimp into the search bar and wait for the results. What you're looking for is the MailChimp integration, a tool that enables seamless communication between Bigin CRM and your MailChimp account. Next, you'll want to select the MailChimp integration from the list of results. Look for the option to either install or connect. Clicking this will start the process of integrating these two powerful systems. If at any point you're unsure, look for any prompts or guided steps provided by the interface to help you along. The next step involves authorizing MailChimp to work with your CRM. Once you initiate the integration, you'll be redirected to the MailChimp sign-in page. Here, use your credentials to log into your MailChimp account, the same details you would use when accessing MailChimp independently. If you don't have these details memorized, ensure you have access to a password manager or a secure location where your login information is saved. After you've successfully logged into MailChimp, you'll be presented with a permissions page. This page is crucial because it outlines exactly what access Bigin will have in your MailChimp account. Review these details thoroughly, taking care to ensure you're comfortable with each permission being requested. If everything looks good, you'll see an option labeled Allow or Authorize. Go ahead and click this to grant Bigin the necessary permissions. At this final stage, the integration process is complete. You've now successfully linked MailChimp to Bigin CRM. The real magic happens behind the scenes as data now smoothly flows between your CRM and email marketing platform. This connection will help you to maintain more organized contact lists, automate email campaigns, and provide valuable insights into your marketing efforts through comprehensive analytics. Remember, this integration can save you time and enable more effective communication with your contacts. If you encounter any issues or need further adjustments, both Bigin and MailChimp offer extensive support resources and community forums to help troubleshoot any problems you might face. Happy integrating!